Are you a low-income senior struggling to make ends meet on your CPP pension? Well, get ready for some amazing news that could provide significant financial relief. The Canadian government has announced a special one-time payment of $1,385 for all low-income retirees receiving the CPP and old age security. That's right, an extra $1,385 is headed your way, and in this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about this incredible opportunity that could be a game changer for your retirement finances. Hi there, Michael here from Seniors Money, the YouTube channel that's all about helping you make the most of your retirement years. Whether it's money-saving tips, accessing government benefits, or careful planning, we cover it all to ensure you can truly enjoy this chapter of life to the fullest. And speaking of government benefits, I've got huge news to share with you today. The 2024 federal budget contained a provision that could put a significant amount of cash directly into the pockets of low-income seniors like yourself. I'm talking about a special one-time, tax-free payment of $1,385 for CPP and OAS recipients below a certain income level. What is the $1,385 payment? Let's dive into the details of this payment and why it was introduced. For years, advocacy groups have been sounding the alarm about poverty rates among Canadian seniors, especially those relying solely on CPP and OAS pensions. With the cost of living rising rapidly, things like housing, groceries, and medical expenses were becoming increasingly unaffordable for retirees on low fixed incomes. The Canadian government heard these concerns loud and clear. In their latest budget, they pledged $1.385 billion toward a one-time payment targeted specifically at the lowest income seniors. If you're receiving CPP and OAS, and your individual income for 2022 fell below a certain threshold based on your household situation, you automatically qualify for this $1,385 cash injection from the CRA. Who qualifies? So how do you know if you'll be one of the lucky recipients? The eligibility criteria is pretty straightforward. You currently receive both the CPP and OAS pensions. This is key. The payment is only for those getting money from both of these major government retirement income sources. Your individual income on your 2022 tax return was below the low-income cutoff set by the government, which varies by province/territory and family situation. Generally, though, single seniors with incomes below $20,000 and couples filing jointly under $32,000 should qualify. It's important to note that this income threshold is based on your total income, not just the CPP/OAS amounts. So if you had any other sources like workplace pensions, investment income, etc., those amounts would be included in determining your eligibility. The payment is non-taxable, meaning you get to keep every penny of that $1,385. And the government estimates over 1 million low-income seniors will end up benefiting from this cash infusion. Why this matters? For those living on tight, fixed incomes like CPP and OAS, an extra $1,385 could make an enormous difference in their quality of life. Let's break down what that amount of money could cover for a cash-strapped senior. Roughly 4 months' worth of groceries for one person based on a modest $300/month food budget. A full year of internet/cable/phone services. 7 to 8 tanks of gas for your vehicle. New glasses, dental work, or other medical expenses not fully covered. The possibilities go on and on. At the end of the day, having over $1,300 extra to work with gives low-income seniors the flexibility to afford the essentials, handle unexpected costs, and simply not have to stress and scrimp quite as much for basic needs. This also represents the government acknowledging that CPP and OAS aren't enough for a dignified retirement for many. While a one-time payment can't solve systemic poverty, it provides some much-needed temporary relief while longer-term solutions are figured out. How to get paid? Here's the best part. You don't need to really do anything special to receive this $1,385 payment if you're eligible. The CRA will automatically issue the funds to you sometime between July 2023 and early 2024. They'll use the income information from your 2022 tax return to verify eligibility. So as long as you filed that return, which is required anyway to keep receiving CPP/OAS, there are no extra applications or complex hoops to jump through. For the majority of seniors, the payment will be direct deposited just like your regular CPP/OAS deposits in whatever bank account you have set up. If you still get checks mailed, the $1,385 will come that way instead. Make sure the contact info for Service Canada and the CRA is current, including your bank details if you get direct deposits. That way there are no pickups in getting your payment. Consider calling Service Canada if you think you should qualify, but don't receive anything by late 2023. They can look into your specifics. While you're waiting, check out the Seniors Money playlist on budgeting for low retirement incomes, so you're prepared to make the most of this $1,385. And of course, watch for any further eligibility clarifications from the government just to be certain you'll get that payment. The bottom line: this special $1,385 payout is the kind of support and attention that poverty-level seniors in Canada have needed for a long time. While not a permanent solution, it provides meaningful temporary financial relief to over 1 million struggling retirees. No one should have to make tough choices between essentials like food, medicine, and housing after decades of hard work. This payment gives low-income seniors some valuable breathing room as they look to make ends meet. So keep an eye out for those $1,385 deposits rolling in soon. Whether it lets you settle some bills, stock up on groceries, or simply build up a small safety net, I hope this cash makes your retirement just a little bit easier and more comfortable. And as always, I'll keep watching for new government policies and programs to share on this channel. We've got your back here at Seniors Money to ensure you're in the know and getting all the benefits you're entitled to as a Canadian retiree. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out. I'll see you next time with more money tips for making your golden years golden.